Well, thank God for the internet, because rather than having to produce this proof myself, I just pulled this off of a site on the internet. Proofwiki.org had this particular theorem, proof of this particular theorem. And if you take a look, we're looking at the triangle ABC, and we're not making any assumptions about whether the nature, whether it's isosceles, scaling, which of those six or so different kinds of triangles we saw pictures of in a minute ago. But it doesn't matter what it looks like, but we know certain things about it. That is, if we take line AB and we draw a line parallel to that in CE, so CE is parallel to AB, and then if we notice that AC cuts across the two parallel lines, so that we know that angle A is equal to this angle here, that is ACE, is the same as CAB. And if we notice that this angle over here near B is the same as the one from that line CE to D, is the same, and in this case we also have this same angle over here, the one which would be BCA. It's the same for both. But if you notice that ABC and ECD are equal, the same, BAC and ACE are the same, and angle BCA are the same for both, but we see that those three interior angles of the triangle have to add up to a straight line, to 290 degrees. So that's the way the proof works. And notice the way the proof works, you don't have to know anything about the particular triangle you're talking about. Rather, this is the way things have to be, based on just some knowledge of parallel lines and angles that were established in geometry earlier than this. So we see that the theorem has to be true. And this is the way that Descartes thinks or proposes that he's going to prove that God exists. So let's, now that we understand how that works, let's see how he's going to try to do the same thing. The same way that he proved that the interior angles of a triangle are going to have a certain property, being 180 degrees, two right angles. He thinks that he can prove that God has to exist in precisely the same way.